This is a 2009 Ford Fusion, and we are replacing the outside mirror. The first thing we're going to do is take the door panel off so we can get at it. What we got to do is remove the screw right here behind the handle. A little cover. Pop that down, and underneath there you'll see a T20 headed screw. Okay, don't want to lose it. Got it. Geez, a small one. Now let's get this bezel out. And we got a electrical connector back there. We got to remove. Next we have this 7mm headed screw down in this area of the door handle. We got that. Next we need to remove this piece with the power window switches. And in the back there you'll see all the electrical connectors we have to remove. Remove this green one. And we got this gray one. And we have this small gray one right here. Okay, our switch is all off. Next we have this T20 headed screw in the side of the door panel, and we got to remove that now. Next we have a screw way down here on the bottom of the door panel, a T20. Okay, there's a screw. Now the only thing holding the door panel on now are the little push pins. So we're going to pry the there it is. Next thing we have to do is take off this panel right here. This one has a speaker in it. There are two areas right here that it clips into. Underneath that panel is this connection right here for the mirrors. And we want to remove that. The mirror is held on by 3 11mm nuts. So we got to remove those now. This is the last nut. There is nothing holding the mirror now, so it will come right off. Now to replace our mirror, all we have to do is reverse our steps from this point on, and we will have replaced our mirror on our Ford Fusion.